Friends, as it was told in previous lessons, Russian alphabets are like English alphabets. Many of them, they are written like English alphabets. Some of them have the same meaning also, but some of them, they are written as an English letter, but they have a different meaning. Now we'll see which Russian letters have almost same meaning, which Russian letters have are written like English letters, but they have different meaning. Now we are coming to the Russian letters which are almost the same in meaning also, like A. So it is produced like A, and in usage also it is written like father, car, but it is not giving a sound like this as it is in flat. A sound it doesn't give, or in cat it doesn't give that sound. It gives sound of A. So as it is used in father or in car. Then ka of course it is like English K, so it is as if it is used in kangaroo, kite, kitten, so it is ka. Then ma again it is the same way it is used as M in English, like man, master, so this M is used in the same way. Then O again, when it is stressed it is pronounced as O, bore, bore, when stressed, and when it is unstressed it is pronounced more like A, more like A. As I told you in previous lesson that in plokho word, plokho, written as plokho, but it is spoken as plokha, not plokho, because in the end it is not stressed, plokha, plokha. So in the end it is, the spelling carries O, but it is spoken as A. So when it is stressed it gives sound of O, but it is when it is not stressed, if it is unstressed, then it gives sound of A, O, A. But it is like English O. And then T. So pronounced like T in tap. It is almost same as English T, but in Russian, most of the people they don't speak ta, they speak ta. So it is spoken as ta, but used as English T. Now there are some Russian letters which look like English letters, but their sound is different, their meaning is different. Like first is V. It looks like capital B. Even in writing, even in writing, it is like capital B, but it is pronounced as V. In Russian, it is pronounced as V, like wet, wet, valve, vault. So this way, it is like English capital B, but it is pronounced as V. Then another word is, it is written like English E, capital is written like capital E, and small is written like small e. But it is not E, it is spoken as ye, like in yes, yes, ye. But it is written like English capital E or English small e, but written like, but it carries a sound of ye, like in yes. Then a word which is written like English H, or small is also written like English H, but its sound in Russian is na, as in no, as in no. Sound is na, but written like English H. Similarly, p. P, it is written like English P. English P, capital also, small also. But its meaning in, its sound in Russian is R, R, as in run, as in run. So friends, you will see that this is, these are some of the words still carrying on which have a different meaning. They look like English letters, but in Russian these letters are having different sounds. Then next is a letter which is written like English C. Capital and small both are written like English C, but its sound is S, S as in, it is S in English. So for C we use this C. So everywhere where we use S, this letter is used. Means this English looking like C, in Russian it sounds as S, Sa, S. Similarly, there is another word which looks like English Y. English Y. But it is not English Y. It is like oo, bada oo in Hindi. Like bada oo in Hindi. Like boot, root, like this. So these are, this is not Y. It looks like English Y, but in Russian it sounds like oo, as in boot or root, root. Then another word, a letter is which looks like English X. It is not X. It is ha, and it is substitute of ha in English. Substitute of ha in English. So it is more like spoken like ha, not ha. So in case they have to speak somewhere a ha, instead of ha they will use ha. Even a word like haram, they use the word haram, not ha. So this is the difference in these letters. We'll proceed, see in other next lesson also, that some of other letters how they sound in Russian. So I think that we will not be confusing ourselves with the letters in English, and we'll try to understand that the letter